Well, as COVID cases decrease, doctors say they are seeing more people come in for mental health services. And during the pandemic here in the United States, 4 in 10 adults reported symptoms of anxiety or depression.
Yeah, WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner is live for us in Charlotte to talk about this. And Chloe, it sounds like experts are preparing to have to continue to handle this mental health crisis.
Yeah, mental health experts say the pandemic has been traumatic for a lot of people. So even as we peel back some of those restrictions and work towards a more endemic phase, many people will still be left struggling with some of these feelings. COVID has disrupted our lives, the social isolation bringing mental health struggles to the surface.
We've all shared this feeling of isolation, the fear of infection, and all of these things that go along with the global pandemic. So we're seeing an increase in the number of people seeking treatment.
Last year in Mecklenburg County, nearly 1 in 5 adults reported depression, and emergency department visits for suicides increased. Sultana Nasrati, a psychotherapist with Novant Health, says many people struggle when they feel out of control.
The more you feel like you can take ownership of what is going on with your life, i.e. what you're going to do and what you're not going to do, the less likely you'll suffer from mental health disorders.
The impacts of this type of stress can't be undone overnight, and providers are expecting a continued need for their services. Nasrati says as we move into an endemic phase, balancing the possible risks with mental health benefits will be the key to living a fuller life.
Don't stop living. Find your balance. Your balance, not what your next door neighbor thinks your balance should be or your husband, but what your balance is, and go live your life. Take that class, go to a movie, mitigate the risk. If you don't feel comfortable going to the movies, then pretend your house is a theater and do it there.
Some doctors say the silver lining to all of this has been that more people are talking about the need for mental health services, which slowly chips away at the stigma around it. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
Such an important conversation, too. Chloe, thank you for your reporting.